Marami na po tayong naitayo, marami na pong mga bayani na pumupunta sa iba't ibang Gawad Kalinga communities. Ngunit, kulang pa. Marami na po tayong bahay na itayo, more than 1,500 communities na, affecting probably 500,000 lives. Marami na, pero kulang pa. And that is why it is important for us to really build on what we have today, the integrity of Gawad Kalinga. Let us all protect that and preserve the integrity of Gawad Kalinga by really honoring the spirit that is fueling GK, and that is faith and patriotism.
We're a group of friends. Actually, we didn't know each other before. Tapos we were talking last year. We found out we're all pala from batch 85.
We wanted to make our 25th homecoming not only social, but socially relevant.
Instead of the usual just homecoming festivities, it will really be great if our batch can leave a lasting legacy to our country. We were clueless as to how it will happen, but we just felt very strongly that we have to do something and we have to just spread the spirit of Gawad Kalinga to our batchmates. We felt Gawad Kalinga will be the best vehicle for that.
And we also wanted to model solidarity among Filipinos. And what better way is to have a joint homecoming project among different batch 85 participating schools. 16 schools now have joined us.
So we gathered people we know who are from batch 85 and we started talking to them about Gawad Kalinga.
We've heard about it, but I guess we learned more about it when we actually got involved and we realized that it's not just about building houses, it's more than that, and it doesn't really need much. Especially if we pool all our resources together, we can accomplish a lot.
It's where all of our dreams converge. So if you dream of a better nation, this is building a better nation one house at a time. It really helps, and it's transforming lives, not just of the beneficiaries, but of us, the houses, the ones who are building the houses.
It was very fulfilling because you know, it's different when you just donated, and it's different when you actually, you know, participated and became a part.
I feel that it's a good experience because you get to give back to society, and siguro for the kids, it was not that difficult to invite them because this is one way of being a man for others.
Life isn't easy. Life is actually difficult for most, and this opportunity sort of brings them down to earth. And I hope with this experience they learn and they bring it back to their school so that they grow up to be better human beings and look towards their neighbors in a different way.
It's quite rewarding to see what we've accomplished, even if we never knew each other at all from way back.
It's just a matter of being involved and being a blessing to others.
We're not going anywhere. We're not migrating anywhere. So dapat 10 years from now, 20 years from now, this country has to be better than how it is today.
Look for models of promoting solidarity and unity among Filipinos. And we'd like to start with ourselves in our school and our batch.
You know, you really just need to speak from the heart and just spread the good message of Gawad Kalinga, and somehow the resources will follow. And that's what happened with GK All 85. We are really coming together for our country and really putting our stake in this work, in this wonderful work of GK, that somehow we will rebuild our country one community.